Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create AI image on your Gemini app. So with Gemini, you can now create AI images on your iPhone. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up the App Store. Here you want to go ahead and search for Google Gemini. Go ahead and download this application. Then go ahead and open it. Now here you want to go ahead and continue with your Google account. Go ahead and agree the terms and conditions. And now you can go ahead and ask Gemini to create you something. Create me an image with a shark riding a surfboard on a high tide. And now it has created me the image of the description, what I've basically requested. Now to use this picture, go ahead and tap on it and then tap on download. And now you'll be able to download this AI image from Gemini. And there you go guys, that is how to create AI image on Gemini app. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.